Welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be looking at XRP price predictions for 2021. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. Digital currencies are gaining in popularity day by day in recent years. XRP is one of the 4 cryptocurrency leaders, along with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. This reality alone helps one look at the Ripple project more closely, given the fact that Ripple has an established global presence and the banks have been working with the platform for many years. The outlook for further XRP development is good. The price action that may result from ongoing Ripple XRP support is a more nuanced question. It is highly likely that crypto market sentiment will remain positive until at least 2025, which is clearly helpful for XRP prices. New users coming into the crypto space may not care that XRP isn't decentralized in the way that Bitcoin is, and users may also like that XRP transactions are extremely fast. While in its early stages, the commercial financing platform that Ripple has created could also be a huge price driver, as global cross-border cash flows are enormous. The company has dedicated XRP tokens for this financing platform, which creates the potential for a virtuous cycle that leads to further price appreciation. The 30 cents level remains critical to watch from a technical perspective, as any meaningful breach of this level could lead to rapid price appreciation. There is little to support a bear case for XRP prices, given the fact that it's traced out multiple bottoms over the past 18 months. It isn't difficult to see that XRP prices have created a triple bottom on a longer-term chart, with the lowest point printing in March of 2020, creating a textbook inverse head and shoulder pattern. If commercial lending activities lead to higher XRP prices, Ripple would have more capital to lend from a fiat standpoint. These higher token prices may encourage borrowers or other investors to buy or hold the token, which further helps XRP prices, as they would not be sold immediately after the need for the capital was fulfilled. XRP can also be staked, which may appeal to commercial interests that can be part of their XRP and earn interest on it when they aren't using it for trade settlement, which isn't possible with fiat currency at the moment. This would lead to higher demand for XRP, as it would be seen as both a way to generate yield and also settle transactions globally. It would be reasonable to speculate that XRP could achieve the $1 level over the next 4 years, and if the industry adopts it as a clearance and savings token, the price may go higher. There's no doubt that XRP is well placed to participate in crypto markets going forward, but if this will lead to immediate price rises is far less certain. As mentioned before, XRP prices haven't recovered from the crypto bear market at the same rate as other popular tokens, and this may continue. XRP is in the right position to follow Bitcoin's rising trend. Does this mean XRP is a buy today? That all depends on what your investment goals are. For investors that want to diversify their crypto holdings away from Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP offers unique features that may become more appealing to crypto buyers in the coming year. It would be a good idea to have reasonable expectations about what XRP prices are likely to do in the near term, and not expect massive price gains over a short period of time. The longer-term story for XRP is likely to be more positive. Ripple has been able to expand its operations globally and create innovative new products, even while the crypto markets suffered from a lack of investor interest. One of the biggest questions is whether or not investors will see XRP as a DeFi token in the coming years, as the platform offers many of the same advantages that DeFi startup tokens do, and it has an established track record to pull from. Central banks are stuck at zero, and higher interest rates aren't likely to come to the fiat markets anytime soon. As a token that can be staked, XRP offers both a great yield in fiat terms and also the security of being managed by a company that has shown itself to be completely reliable. XRP is probably better to think about as a long-term investment in crypto adoption, rather than a short-lived trade that will create double-digit trading profits. The company behind XRP has shown steady progress in building a viable system for both crypto and fiat users, and has a stellar reputation in many Asian nations. Going forward, Ripple's slow and steady approach is likely to yield positive results not only for the company, but XRP holders as well. If you're trying to make some profit by trading XRP, then you should consider automating your strategy. The cryptocurrency market is awake 24/7, and you can't always react to sudden changes or bouts of volatility. A trading bot never sleeps, and they're able to predict volatility or at least ride the waves without emotion much better than a human can ever do. Trality has tools that allow anyone to benefit from automated cryptocurrency trading, whether you know how to code or not. Ripple aims to establish quick, safe, and cheap exchange procedures all over the world, and their platform only allows pre-approved participants to manage a node and verify XRP transactions. XRP started 2021 with the price trading at 23 cents, which was a really bad start, as Ripple is having issues with the SEC. Experts predict that XRP would trade at an average price of 83 cents by the end of January 2021. At the end of 2021, XRP could reach an average trade price of 65 cents. Therefore, it's still good to look at developments and the future to say something about a forecast. Ripple's technical analysis looks positive when viewed in the long term. Trading Ripple in the short term is riskier. Many coins rise in the long run due to all new developments, partnerships, and upgrades. Many wonder why XRP is rising, but this always has to do with what's going on with the project. Either way, as per the recent research by Moody's, blockchain standards will increase by 2021. XRP is now the fourth largest cryptocurrency, which is aiming for a lot of developments by 2021. As per their price trends, the experts believe that it will enter into countless financial institution partnerships. As 2021 rolls by, XRP might even touch the $2 mark. Rather than providing a way for merchants and investors to make transactions online without going through a centralized financial institution, which can be slow, potentially unsafe, and expensive, XRP was designed to make it easier for centralized financial institutions to make payments. Cross-border payments can even be slower than domestic payments, and they come with much higher transaction costs. And companies worldwide can make hundreds of these transactions every day. To avoid skyrocketing transaction fees and unfavorable exchange rates, Ripple allows companies to send and receive payments in XRP. Uniqueness of predictions for XRP. 1. Ripple Coin. Ripple Coin News, the second largest traffic-based news website, predicted that after a difficult time, the coming years might emerge as a smooth period for Ripple. There will be an addition to their partnerships, and new technologies might surge its price to $8 or even $10. We'll just have to wait and see. 2. Investing Haven. Investing Haven, a cryptocurrency prediction website, made a very optimistic bullish prediction for 2020, as it believed that 2020 was going to be a flawless year for Ripple. Boy, were they wrong. They even stated that XRP might reach as high as $20 by the end of 2021. 3. Uslifted. Uslifted, another well-known cryptocurrency prediction website, stated that by the end of 2020, XRP would attain newer highs and reach $22.79, with a circulating supply of over 38 billion XRP. Nope, it didn't happen. 4. Oracle Times Price Prediction. Oracle Times has recently predicted that XRP might go up as much as 2,000%. They also added it could be possible only if Ripple becomes the best choice for cross-border payments by financial institutions. Who knows? It's a realistic long-term scenario, that's for sure. In the long term, one famous crypto analyst on Twitter expects XRP to reach a price of $25 to $30. But before this happens, Credible Crypto predicts a drop in the market of up to 30%, adding, "You have the right idea for the pullback region. Many alts will dump hard, but XRP BTC is on support, so it may not be affected as badly as other alts." Such a plunge in the crypto market could present a great buying opportunity for new investors. To be able to buy XRP anywhere between 38 cents and 55 cents is a blessing. If you get this chance, you best take it. No guarantees we get the lower end of the range, so hodling down is your best bet. According to the website's longer-term Ripple price prediction, the coin is expected to trade at an average of 30 cents by the end of 2021. After starting 2022 at 50 cents, the service sees XRP dropping below the 10 cents level in August, recovering to close the year at 37 cents. Looking even further, XRP's projected value is set to be within the 50 to 60 cents range in November 2025. Longforecast.com seems to have the most bearish Ripple XRP prediction, further sliding close to 2021 at 26 cents and hitting 8 cents in December 2023. This chart shows the dip pattern of the XRP price trend at 26 cents. The upper part of the trend pattern is bordered by a couple of red arrows which seem to be guiding its movement. The price kept threading the bounds without necessarily surging on its own. This was the state of the coin all through the rally of other altcoins. Underneath the trend pattern are blue arrows that suggest a potential time frame in which the price trend line could have pushed upwards to join the rally of other coins. The red arrows continually press the light bearish tendency on the trajectory while not necessarily limiting the coin's chances of going on its own bullish surge anytime soon. Ultimately, we believe it will be worth the wait. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Do you think this could be the best time to invest in Ripple XRP? Let us know in the comments below. While you're here, check out one of our other great videos. See you next time.
Hollywood car set. That's how it goes. Hollywood car set.